good morning children. Good morning children. How are you doing today? Welcome to our school, Sri Vedada Universe School. I am Kamala and this is our English class. So have you practiced the exercises? I told you to send video also. Practice and take video and show me how you are practicing, and not only one day, every day you practice these exercises. Yes children. So today we are going to learn the new words. Yes children, what are the new words? All words are relating to the exercises. You have done many exercises now. So all exercises relating words. Stretch, jump, hop, skip, race, chase. All these ones are exercises relating words. So let us see what are the words. What is the first one? K-N-E-E-S. Have you learned this word before? Not. K-N-E-E. What is it? Knee. Here K sound, we are not giving the K sound. K sound is silent. We tell that K sound is silent. We only give the sound of N-E-E, and S is also there. So it is knees. Knees. What are the knees children? These part, which part of the body are called the knees? These are called the knees. How many knees you have? You have two legs, so you have two knees. And what are these ones called? These joints are called the elbows. Yes, and these are called the knees. Okay children? So here K sound is silent. No K sound. No knees. No knees. It knees. Next one. L-E-G-S. This one also all of you know. Yes or not? Yes, you know. L-E-G-S is legs. Yes, very good. Legs. L-E-G-S. Legs. Next one. S-T-R-E-T-C-H. S-T-R sounds you have learned. What will give S-T-R? Str. E-T is et. H is ch. So stretch. What is it? Stretch. Stretch. Stretching your body like this. In the morning when you get up from the bed, what you do? You stretch your body like this or not? That is called stretching. Yes, in exercises we stretch our body so that more energy flows in your body. So easily your body gets more energy to all parts, energy flows. That's why we stretch our body. So S-T-R-E-T-C-H is what? Stretch. Stretch. Next one. A-R-M-S. A-R-R-M-S. Arms. What is it? Arms. Arms. What are arms? These are called your arms. These are called your hands. These are called your arms. What are these ones called? Arms. A-R-M-S. Arms. These are your arms. All of you have how many arms children? Two arms. Yes? Yes. Next one. B-E-N. This one is N. B-E-N-D. B-N-D. Bend. What is bend? In exercises you also have to bend your body, not always stretching. We have to bend. You have seen, no? Arms down, head down, bend. Arms bend, head down, no? So curl like a ball. You have to curl like a ball, no? So you also have to bend your body forward, backward, sideways. Like this, it is called bending. Yes, so bend. B-E-N-D is what? Bend. Next, H-E-A-D. This one you have learned before, yes or not? H-E-A-D. H-E-D. Head. Which is your head? My head lesson you had, no? So this is called your head. So head also we have to bend like this. In the lesson it's not given, but you have to bend your neck and head also. Next one, D-O-W-N. What is D-O-W-N? O-W is O. Down. What is it? Down. Bend your head. Down. You know what is down? So, D-O-W. You have to read like the. O-W is O. Down. Okay, children. Next one. C-U-R-L. C-U-R-L is what? Curl. 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 What is curl? Curl means is also bending. Like head down, my hands down, curl like a ball. Means turn like a ball. That is curl, turning around. Next one is R-A-C-E. What is R-A-C-E? Race. What is it? Race. All of you know what is race? Running race. We put race, no? Running. All of you have to run. Who will reach first? That is racing. Race. Here we are talking about the exercises. So, race. Next one is C-H-A-S-E. C-H is ch. A-S is chase. Chasing means if anyone is running behind them to catch them. Now, if your brother is running, you run behind him to catch him. That is chase. So, race, chase. C-H-A-S-E is chase. Next one. S-K-I-P. S-K is sk. I-P is skip. Skip. Skipping. Here we are talking about exercise. So, skipping is what? Do you know there is one rope? We get one rope. We hold the rope like this and we turn the rope like this and we jump over the rope. Like this, it is called skipping. Prakul showed you know how to do skipping like this. That is called skip. Means leaving one and then jumping like that is skip. Next, S-C-I-S-S-O-R-S. S-C-I is scissors. What is scissors? All of you know scissors. We used to cut papers and everything. That is called scissors. How is a scissor? Scissor looks like this. That's they called scissors jump. Means put your legs like cross your legs like this and then jump. It is called scissors jump. So scissors J-U-M-P is jump. Jumping. Scissors jump. Jump, put your legs cross and then jumping. It is called scissors jump. So these are the words, new words, very easy. If you know all these words, you can easily read the poem, children. Let us one more time read. K-N-E-E-S is what? Knees. Knees. L-E-G-S is legs. S-T-R-E-T-C-H. Stretch. A-R-M-S. Arms. B-E-N-D. Bend. H-E-A-D. Head. D-O-W-N. Down. C-U-R-L. Curl. R-A-C-E. Race. C-H-A-S-E. Chase. S-K-I-P. Skip. S-C-I-S-S-O-R-S. Scissors. This scissors only. J-U-M-P. Jump. Jumping. Yes, children. These are your new words. Your homework is write these words for 3 times. Write spellings. How many times I give children always? 3 times in your notebook. Neatly, nicely, and read the spellings. Not only writing, learn and read the spellings so that easily when I ask you children read the poem, you can easily read the poem. Yes, children? So, learn the exercises, learn the new words, write the new words. Okay, children? So, goodbye.